What is title in a real estate and mortgage transaction? Title is the legal ownership of a property. It tells us who owns the property and whether anyone else has a legal interest or claim against it. The title company's role is to examine the public records and make sure ownership can be transferred properly in the sale of a property. In a contract for deed situation, the title examination also needs to determine who is actually recorded on title and confirm that title can be transferred properly when the contract for deed is paid off. They look for existing mortgages, unpaid taxes, judgments, liens, recording errors, or other claims that may affect the property. Title insurance provides protection if certain title problems are discovered after the closing. An owner's title insurance policy protects the homeowner. A lender's title insurance policy protects the mortgage lender. This is especially important when mortgage financing is involved. The lender is providing money based on the property being security for the loan. The lender wants to be certain that its new mortgage will be properly recorded in first lien position. In other words, if there is ever a serious problem with claims on the title, the lender wants to know that its claim against the property comes before other claims. The title examination identifies any existing liens or ownership issues that could interfere with that first position for the mortgage company. The title company then helps make sure those issues are properly handled before or at closing. The lender's title insurance policy provides additional protection if a covered title problem is discovered later. So why can't you simply look up the title information yourself? Why is that not good enough? You can review public records yourself, but finding information is not the same as completing a professional title examination. Records can be incomplete, incorrectly recorded, difficult to interpret, or affected by legal issues that are not obvious. The mortgage lender cannot rely on a personal, non-professional review of those records. The lender requires an independent title examination plus title insurance to confirm that ownership can be properly transferred and that its mortgage will be protected in first lien position. The title company is not simply looking up information. It is helping make sure the property can be transferred, the lender's lien is properly established, and the transaction can close with the necessary title insurance protection.